Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Ask an HVAC Technician. I'm Anthony with Thornton & Grooms. Hopefully our last video about when to replace your furnace versus your heat exchanger helped out. Today we're going to be talking about the loud noises that can come from your furnace. These common noises are clicking, banging, high-pitched squealing, humming, and rattling. Now let's go take a look at a furnace to see where some of these noises come from. So the first noise we're going to look into is clicking. A clear clicking noise usually comes from the ignition system. Things to check for are, is the gas valve turned on? Do the burners look dirty? Is the flame sensor broken? Is the pilot flame blown out? The second noise we're going to look into is banging. There are two common places that banging comes from. The first is expanding and contracting ductwork. Is the filter dirty? Are the vents blocked? Is the ductwork very dirty inside? The third noise we want to look into is a high-pitched squeal. This usually comes from dirty air filters, blocked vents, dirty or damaged ductwork. Noise number 4, humming or buzzing. This comes from failing motor capacitors, aging or unlubricated blower motors, bad transformers, bad inducer motors, or bad solenoid valves. Noise number 5, rattling. This could come from loose parts in the furnace, and even more cautious, the potential for cracks in the heat exchanger. After reviewing some of the noises that a furnace can potentially make, I'm going to go ahead and give you a few of my general recommendations. First is probably check your air filter. Change it if necessary. Second is going to be looking if any of your air ducts are blocked or slightly covered by anything. Third is going to be calling a service professional, us, at Thornton & Grooms, for your annual furnace inspection. If you're finding these videos helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe below. Check out my other videos for more helpful HVAC tips.